Is your laundry room or mudroom cluttered, cramped, or just plain boring? Stick around because today, I'll show you how to transform it into a space that's both stylish and functional all without spending a fortune. Welcome back. In this video, we're diving into a DIY transformation that combines organization with design. Whether you have a tiny corner or a full laundry and mudroom combo, these steps will help you maximize space, add personality, and keep your home running smoothly. Definition: a laundry and mudroom transformation means upgrading these utility spaces with smart storage, durable finishes, and practical layouts. The goal is to create a space that's easy to clean, functional for everyday use, and pleasant to spend time in. Why importance? Your laundry and mudroom are some of the hardest working areas in your home. From washing clothes to storing coats, shoes, and bags, these rooms see a lot of traffic. If they're messy or poorly designed, it can add stress to your daily routine. A well-planned transformation saves time, keeps things organized, and even boosts your home's value. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Start by decluttering. Remove everything that doesn't belong. 2. Plan your layout. Decide where the washer, dryer, hooks, shelves, and seating will go. 3. Paint or refresh the walls with a bright, clean color. 4. Add built-in or floating shelves for detergents, baskets, and storage bins. 5. Install hooks or cubbies for coats, backpacks, and shoes. 6. Add a bench for seating and shoe storage. 7. Finish with decorative touches like a rug, wall art, or greenery. Tools explained. For this project, you'll need basic tools: a drill, screws, wall anchors, a level, paint supplies, and measuring tape. If you're adding shelves or cubbies, a circular saw or pre-cut wood panels will also come in handy. Workflow: start with the big changes first, like painting and installing shelves. Next, move on to functional elements like hooks, storage bins, and seating. Finally, style the room with smaller decor details that tie the look together. Quick tips: use vertical wall space to avoid clutter. Choose moisture-resistant paint and materials for durability. Label baskets to make laundry sorting easy. Consider motion sensor lighting for added convenience. Cost comparison: a professional remodel can cost anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000. By doing it yourself, you can achieve a similar fresh and functional look for under $500, depending on the materials and finish you choose. And that's how you can turn your laundry and mudroom into a space you'll actually enjoy using. Remember, small updates add up to big changes. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's ready for a home refresh, and subscribe for more DIY transformations. Your dream space is just a project away.